Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to do an update on LTC Litecoin and see what is going on in this area. First things first, at the moment we are around the lower band of this important ranging pattern, which is in my books at least definitely a good sign, and I want to be very clear. There is a chance that we may have some more moves on the downside, but downsides I would say from here are going to be in Litecoin very limited. Why is that? You see, let's just go around here. Let's say you are having an unusual move down on any chart. Doesn't really matter whether it's going to be in crypto, gold, or maybe even a stock market. Followed by that, you need to pay attention to this retrace right in here. If this is going to be a deep retrace on the upside, it means that bears actually don't really have that much power. Why is that? Because if they would have had a lot of power and they were in full control, they wouldn't have allowed the price to go up this much. For example, you may have seen in that case from here a move on the downside. So this retrace is very important, and if you see something like this, a very deep move on the upside, at that point you can say in the next move down we are probably not going to go that much lower than this important point right in here. Let's go now on the live chart and see what is going on. And as you can see, this is our initial move down, and followed by that we had quite a deep retrace. And let's actually measure it in terms of Fibonacci's and see where we are. As you can see, in this move up we retraced to somewhere around the 90% of the Fibonacci retracement level, which means bears do not have that much power in this phase, and this is a very simple consolidation pattern. And it also means that from here we are probably not going to go that much lower. Now, in terms of indicators, let's just see what is going on in daily time frame. As you can see, in MACD, in terms of momentums, we are in the negative, but it seems like that again bears are running out of steam. And in terms of RSI, at the moment we are close to somewhere around the oversold area, which suggests pretty much the same. Now, pay attention to this. In H4 timeframe, what is going on? Let's actually delete the Fibonacci retracement. There we go. So in RSI, in here, we were somewhere around the oversold, and then we got a bounce back, which can be considered as a good sign, but for me, it's not enough, and it's honestly not really that important. What is very significant for me is actually what is happening in MACD. What do we have on the live chart? This is a low. The other one is a lower low. However, in MACD, between EMAs and also momentum, we are having a low. The other one is a higher low, and the same here, which means this is actually a bullish divergence in H4 timeframe. Now, a bullish divergence is a very optimistic sign, suggesting probably our move down is over. Is it enough of a bullish sign for us to say with a lot of confidence that this move has indeed come to an end? For me, and again, this is just my personal opinion, no. What I want to see in order to believe in this divergence is actually a very strong move on the upside in Litecoin from here, in order to at least reach to somewhere around the $100 region, which is a very important resistance area from H4 timeframe. And I'm hoping that at that point we are going to break that region, and if we do so, the next target is going to be about 15% higher, somewhere around $113 to about $115, which is a very strong daily time frame resistance area. So let's have a quick conclusion and wrap up this update. At the moment we are around the lower band of this ranging pattern, which is a good sign, and also at the same time in H4 timeframe in MACD we are having a bullish divergence, suggesting downsides in Litecoin are very limited. Is this point going to be our final bottom? Based on what we said, we cannot still say that for sure, but if we get a very strong move on the upside, at that point we can actually lean towards the bullish possibility, suggesting the bottom is in right in here a bit more than before. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Litecoin. And until the next video, have a wonderful time. Goodbye.